So that was. What's up, guys? It's Aaron from How To's by Bros. Today I'm going to show you how to do a wall flip without being scared. So another wall flip tutorial. Hey Bruno. Alright, so today wall flips I think are easier than backflips on the ground, but you should be able to do a backflip on the ground, I think, and also on the trampoline and also on a mattress, right? Alright, so you should also, if you have access to a gym, also should be able to do is a wall flip in a gymnasium, a gym, like a gymnastics gym. If you have access to that, do it. Like, it's so much easier than doing it on an actual wall. It's not as scary, so make sure you can do it. A backflip on the trampoline, number one. Backflip on a mattress if you can bring your mattress outside, and a wall flip inside a gym, like with mats and stuff. That way you're safe. Disclaimer, if you get hurt doing it, I'm not responsible. This is done at your own risk. And so what you want to do for the wall flip, alright, you don't have to swing your arms a ton like a backflip on the ground. Honestly, I don't even swing my arms that much, but obviously if you want more height and more power, you can swing your arms. So what you want to do is, you don't want to run against the wall super fast, like boom, or else you're just gonna, it's just not gonna be good. You also don't want to like walk against the wall and just be like, you want to get some decent momentum. So kind of jog against the wall. I like to jog about that fast. What you're gonna do is put your foot on the wall. I would say about hip level, and what you want to do is you don't want to push straight out or else you'll get no height. You also don't want to push right up, because I've seen people slip like that. So you want to have a balance between going up and out. So test it out. Make sure you test it out multiple times by doing this. Boom. Going up and out, all right? Don't go like this. Don't, let me do that again. Like slip, like don't do that, all right? Don't try to like shoot up, because it's not gonna work, all right? And also, do not put your leg too high on the wall, or else you're just gonna go straight back and not gonna be able to land it. You're not gonna be able to land it. So, if you've done all that correctly, once you have your foot, once you've tested all that, you're gonna go back, swing your arms if you want, and just do a backflip. You should already know how to do a backflip before you try a wall flip. Tuck if you want, tuck under, tuck over, and yeah, I don't even need to tuck, but I don't like to tuck because it's just kind of simple. I get enough air that I don't need to tuck, but for your first time you should definitely tuck, I think. But yeah, so I'll show you. Make sure you warm up before too. You can use my backflip warm-up tutorial as well to get you warmed up. So, all right. Let me do that again. That was pretty bad. All right. So run up to the wall. So that was kind of sketchy. I don't